Hello everyone, so today I will show you how to download the official version of Autodesk product. So you have AutoCAD in your syllabus, so I will show you how to install the official student version of AutoCAD from Autodesk, how to download it and how to install it and how to activate it, right? Okay, first just open any browser. I'm just opening the Google Chrome, and you just search here about by writing AutoCAD, Autodesk AutoCAD student version. Yes, now you just click here, free software for students and educators. Here you can see that oh, this is another thing. Okay, here you can see that you have to create an account in Autodesk. So if you don't have any account, it's just like a Gmail account. The information you have to give just your name, either in your college, educator or a student. Okay, I'm just showing, just create account, click here, and you just have to put the country, education role, a student, you put here student, institution type, high school, and in this way you can create an account. Okay, I'm just showing, actually I already have an account, so I'm just putting a student, institution type, high school, institution type, date of birth, just giving a rough value. Next, so institution type, you have to select university, and you give your first name, last name, email ID, confirm your password, and you can create an account. Okay, I am not going to that part. When you create an account, you will have a ID and a password, right? So I already have an ID password, so I just click over here. After creating an account, sign in. So this is my email ID and this is my password. This is already saved. Just clicking the sign in option, and after clicking the sign in, you have the version. I just to select the version, so I will select AutoCAD 2020, operating system 64-bit, and this is English, right? So this is the product key and this is the serial number. So serial number and product key is showing over here. So when after downloading the software, at the time of installation, I have to put this serial number and this product key, then it will activate. Okay, now how to download it? Below this you have this drop down option, and you just click over, the four options are here: install now, download now, browser download. So if you it is better to check this option, click this option, browser download, because it will download a compressed file, so it will need less data. Okay, so you can download over here the browser download. Now you can see that here it is downloading AutoCAD 2020, and it is also shown in downloads. Look, AutoCAD 2020 English in 64-bit hard, this one, right? So it is 1.4 GB, 16 minutes remaining. So I already have downloaded this file, the same file I will show. Okay, I am just cancelling it, and this is the file. Yes, you can see the same file. This is 1.44 GB, that is also 1.4 GB. So this is the main file I already have downloaded. So I just I will just open this file, and it will show the destination folder. Actually it is a compressed version, so it will extract and make the original one. So C drive, C Autodesk. So it will take some time. Okay, let's see how much time it will take. I have my configuration of this piece is not so bad. It is almost 16 GB RAM. Look, the disk uses here is 91%. This is actually external hard disk, and this is my internal hard disk. So the software is in external hard disk, so that's why it is using 91%. Yes, it has started. So look here, so 1.44 GB, after extracting it will be 3.54 GB. It will become 3.54 GB. Only 1 minute remaining. I think it will not take so much of time. So 1.6. Thirty-one second remaining. Fast. Memory uses is 4.3 GB. CPU 23%. Showing virtual core. These are my 4 cores, 8 logical processors. Just few seconds remaining. Okay, it is completed. Yes, so this is the starting point of installation. If you click no, then you have to go to that destination folder where you extracted that file. So I am clicking yes because I want to install the software. Yes, so this is the starting point. Look, I will click then install. So either the serial number have to put at the initialization or after installation. I don't know where I have to put it. Okay, install. Yes, it is installing. So yes, after installation when I will start the Autodesk run first time, then it will need the serial number for the activation. So it is installing and it will take around, as I think, 5 minutes. Okay, let's see how much it will take time. Look, I will show the folder where it is extracted. It is C and Autodesk here. Look, this is the extracted one. So this is 3.53 GB. 3.53 GB, and initially it was 1.44 GB. So after extraction, the folder becomes, the software becomes 3.54 GB. Actually, many of you know how to install and all those things, but I am making this video for those who don't know how to install or how to download it from Autodesk website and activate it. You will get this license for 3 years from the Autodesk as a student. And there is a lot of design competition held by Autodesk, so you can join those competitions also. There's a global competition all around the world. Yeah, it is. I think it will not take so much of time. After installing the AutoCAD software, tomorrow I will record some video I will record some video for making you familiar with the software. So 11 of 17 remaining. This is my graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. Using this graphics card I am doing all these things. Now it is using 15%, I don't know why. Oh, okay, I am recording this. Yes, so yeah, it is finished. So I can click the launch now option. Yes, so launch now. So it is loading for the first time, first run. Yes, okay. And yes, it is starting. Okay, loading all the options. Yes, now what you have your serial numbers in your email, because I already shown in the video that initially you will have your serial number product key. So you just click here, enter a serial number. Where's the dialog box gone? Yes, I agree and activate. Yes, this is the serial number. So I have the serial number. I have in my mail, or I can log into the Autodesk, sign in. Yes, I already signed in. So version 2024 English. So this is my serial number, so I am using this. So you will have your own serial number. Don't copy mine because I already using this. And next, activating your product. Okay, you should be connected with the internet. Okay, look, I am connected. For the activation, look, the license is active, so I can use this for 3 years. I will have all the updates and it will be original. So don't use pirated version of AutoCAD, you can use the original version. So yeah, from tomorrow I will show you how to use all these things, how to draw, how to draft. Okay, so come on tomorrow. Bye, good night, thank you.